Once upon a time in the tranquil town of Melody Hills, there was an elementary school famed for its unique teaching methods. The most beloved teacher, Miss Daisy, held a special class where rhymes and songs were the heart of learning. Miss Daisy believed that rhymes were not just playful tunes, they were powerful tools for teaching. He had one student, Timmy, who struggled more than most. He found it hard to remember his alphabet and numbers, which made him feel left behind. One sunny afternoon, Miss Daisy noticed Timmy's frustration and decided it was time to introduce the class to her magical box of rhymes. The next morning, she brought a colorful, old wooden box inscribed with mysterious, curling letters. The children gathered around, eyes wide with curiosity. Inside this box, Miss Daisy announced, are rhymes that will help us learn in a fun way. With a dramatic flair, she opened the box and pulled out scrolls tied with ribbons. Each scroll had a rhyme designed for different subjects. For the alphabet, she taught them, A is for apple, airy and bright, B is for balloon, bursting with light. The rhyme rolled off the children's tongues, and Timmy found himself giggling and singing along, each letter sticking in his mind like a catchy tune. When it came to numbers, the rhyme was 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, foo, R, shut the door. This simple verse helped Timmy remember sequences and counts without the burden of rote memorization. As days turned into weeks, Timmy's confidence and knowledge grew. The rhymes made learning enjoyable, and they danced in his thoughts like joyful music. By the end of the term, Timmy was not only reciting his alphabet, ETS and numbers with ease but was also helping his classmates. Miss Daisy's rhyme lessons reminded everyone that learning could be magical and melodies, a doorway to understanding. In Melody Hills, rhymes didn't just teach. They transformed anxious learners into joyful scholars, thanks to Miss Daisy's magical teaching touch.